Hello everyone, welcome again to my YouTube channel. Spicy food. So I'm going to do macro photography of chili today. I don't really like spicy food actually, but I grow this in my garden because sometimes I eat spicy food and not bad. So I'm going to photograph this chili with my mobile phone, Android phone and macro lens. It can be nature photography or it can be food photography. It's niche because it is in my garden, and it's food because this macro of chili, so it's food. Actually, when I upload such an image on Adobe, the auto category machine on Adobe will categorize this photo as food photography, not nature. So, food photography in a garden. I start from this tiny cherry here. I think it's too small, it's hard to focus. I try to hold. Let's try from different angle. Okay, not bad. So now more leaf in the frame.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night